Tonight, down goes the dollar and the Australian share market after Greece votes no. Slow but steady progress towards recognising Indigenous Australians in the Constitution. Australia's largest dinosaur about to become a top Queensland tourist attraction. And a private christening for Princess Charlotte. Good evening, welcome to ABC News Queensland. I'm Karina Carvalho. Just hours after helping secure a landslide victory in the referendum, the Greek finance minister has resigned. The shock announcement comes as voters overwhelmingly rejected the terms of an international bailout. Europe correspondent Mary Guerin is in Athens. What a goal that was. Weather now with Jenny Woodward, and are the cold mornings here to stay, Jenny?
Yes, and it's going to get colder, Karina. Hello everyone, especially over the inland areas we can expect those temperatures to drop. But today it was all about the temperatures as well, with clear, crisp conditions this morning, especially in the southern parts where the frosts were on the granite belt. Stanthorpe had the lowest minimum of -2, which was 3 below average, while it was only 3 in Roma and 4 in St George, and the daytime figures were a little above average. That was the trend in the west too, 5 for Birdsville and 8 further north, but tropical areas were close to average, 27 in Cairns this afternoon. Mild in the city today, Brisbane 4 above average on 24, and Amberley had a chilly start on 3. That was 4 degrees below this morning, and currently it's 17.5. Let's check the satellite, and most of the weather action has been in the south. There's an active trough and frontal system that's brought some light falls, and we've got another frontal system which is going to sweep up towards Western Australia tomorrow. Ex-tropical cyclone Raquel, which made its brief appearance last week, is now moving into unfavourable waters, so there's no chance it's going to redevelop. Now, that cold, dry weather is being maintained by a belt of high pressure that's been moving across middle parts of the continent, so little change ahead tomorrow. We'll have another fine, dry day with just the chance of a shower or two about the tropical coast. As this southern ridge here starts to build up the coast, we will start to see some coastal showers to spring up in the onshore winds later in the week, but it will be cold again tonight, but Wednesday morning is going to be the coldest. Tomorrow, showery and cool for Sydney. A frosty start for Canberra again, down to -3. We'll have showers about in Hobart, Adelaide and Perth, and a very cold start over the centre. To forecast now, and in the northeast, we've got some early fog about the coastal fringe, and then a fine and sunny day through the inland. 26 expected at Mareeba. Fine and sunny across the west. Another cold night with some frost areas about the southern and southeast interior. 3 the start for Gundawindi, Miles and Roma. In the southeast, fog areas to the north and frost areas to the west, but then fine and sunny through the day, a top of 19 in Dalby. Brisbane will be sunny, west-southwesterly winds to 20 knots in the morning, 22 the top for the city, and Ipswich down to 4 overnight in the west. And on the bay, westerly winds at first becoming variable in the middle of the day, and then south-southeasterly to 20 knots later. Sunrise will be at 6:38 p.m, and looking ahead over the next few days, we're expecting some showers to return on Wednesday. Back to you, Karina.
Thanks, Jenny, and that's ABC News for now. Thank you for joining us. 7:30 is next.